English is not my first language and my English is not as good as you can hear. So if I can easily get overall 90 in PD Academic, you can too. In this video, I will tell you how I got almost full marks in write from dictation by using 3 strategies, and we will practice 5 questions as examples. Hi, welcome to this channel. This is Jason PDE. So first, I almost practice write from dictation every day. You don't need to practice a lot each day, but you better practice every day. When you practice every day, your brain will become accustomed to it. It's like muscle memory, and your typing speed will be improved over time as well. Second, I didn't take any notes while listening. I start typing right after I hear the recording. I did not take any notes down. Some people probably recommend you to write down the first letter of each word. But for me, I don't think it's necessary. Typing right away is also a more efficient way for your practice. Third, memorize the meaning. Just like repeat sentence like I said before. It's almost impossible to repeat a sentence from an alien because you don't understand. But if the sentence is in your first language, you probably can easily memorize it and repeat it, and also write it down. Let's practice write from dictation from June P. As you can see here, there are 279 questions. And so my strategy was to practice these 279 questions twice. Let's get started.
Tutorials are scheduled in the final week of the term.
As you can see here, I got 10 out of 10. Here's a tip. If you are not sure about if this is plural noun or not, just type both. You can still get full marks because there is no negative marking for wrong answers. Just like this. Even though I have some wrong words, but I still got full marks.
Most of the lectures begin promptly, so do not be late.
As you can see here, I still got full marks.
It is clear that national trading system is a good thing.
Still got full marks. This one is quite easy to memorize. I sometimes feel like write from dictation is a bit easier than repeat sentence. I guess it is because we have time to hesitate and to correct our wrong words. But the rating system for write from dictation is much stricter than repeat sentence. When you got any words wrong, you lose marks in write from dictation. But for repeat sentence, you have more room for mistakes.
Currently, the growth of the company is unpredictable.
I still got full marks. This one is shorter, only 8 words.
Computer is a great source of knowledge for the students.
This time, I only got 8 out of 10, as you can see here. Here it's not S, it's S. And it's not plural noun. Like I said before, you can type both computers and computer. And also is S. And also a, the. Again, it is because there's no negative marking for write from dictation. So it doesn't matter if you type any wrong answers. Thank you for watching this video until the end. See you next time. Bye!